Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. This is another variation of You Are My Sunshine, and in my recent video I did a design for the circular simplistic You Are My Sunshine, and I actually took that exact same design and kind of deconstructed it, meaning I pulled them into a more linear order-ish. The order here is pretty funky because here's the word you, here's the word are, my sunshine, and to help with the reading order of this design, I put a little start marker here. So this here is the start and orientation marker, and the reason why I deconstructed and did this is because I went back to go submit the commission, and I saw that it was not a circular, but rather an other layout that was requested, so I went ahead and made this variation as well. And with that start marker, that allows you to spin and rotate this design, and you still know where to start, which is here. So you find the start marker, and you know that that is then the bottom. So you adjust it to be the bottom, and then here's where you start reading YOUAREMYSUN, and then we continue around SHINE. If you want to see more of the details of how those letters work, you can see that other video I recorded. But yeah, this should probably be a bit more what you expected as far as a linear design. And I also did that postmodern sort of mix between swirls and straight lines and some fun stylistic stuff there. So yeah, hopefully that'll work for you. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.